guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a hair review. This is my first time ordering hair from an AliExpress company, ordering a full wig. So I just wanted to show you guys exactly like what I got, what I ordered, and just give you guys all the details. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. So I ordered my wig on, I think it was like August 5th, and it came in the mail like probably about a week and a half later. I don't know the exact date that it came in the mail, but it only took about a week and a half to get to my house. And they were really good with the communication about that. I looked on the Wiggins Hair website about a month ago trying to look for a wig, but I was just like, I don't know which one to pick. I didn't know which one to choose, but I was going for like the wet and wavy look. So I saw this one, and this is the, let me just look at the exact details. So this is the natural wave 6x6 lace closure. Actually it says natural wave, but then it says water wave, and it's a 6x6 closure, 180 density. So that's what I ordered. I received it within good timing, so I was really excited about that. I just wanted something that was natural looking and it wasn't too long, so I did get 24 inches. I'll try to stand up and show you guys. It comes like down like right to right here, so it's not like super long or anything. And it stops like right there on my back. So yeah, so when I first got the wig, it came in this box, which I thought was like super cute. It didn't come like all damaged like this. I did this myself, so that's what happened with that. And then when I opened it, it came with, I already used this, but it came with this like little silk, I guess, for the lace part, to lay your lace down. And then it also came with, I already used this stuff, so whatever, but it came with like two like nude color wig caps. So I did go ahead and use one of those, but I'll tell you what happened with that later. And then it also came with this, which I think that you're supposed to use to keep your lace down like this, but I just chose not to use it because I just decided to use a scarf instead. But I've seen a lot of hairstylists use this. And then it just came with a little bag, like this bag right here, which I thought was super cute. So you could put the wig in the bag. And yeah, that's all it basically came with in the bag. And then the actual wig itself came in a net. So what I will say is I really do like this hair so far. I've only had it for about maybe like a week, maybe like a week and a half so far, but I really like this hair. When I first took it out the packaging, it pretty much looked like this. It didn't look much different. Obviously I have a little bit of product in my hair, but it didn't look too much different from how it looks right now. It was soft. I didn't receive a lot of shedding. I was able to like run my fingers through it. I got a little bit of shedding, but that's to be expected with curly hair, so I don't think that anybody should expect to run their fingers through and not get any shedding. So I like that about the hair. I also like the fact that the shipping was efficient and it didn't take them too long to send my hair, even though it's a pandemic, so everybody might not have that same experience, but my experience with the shipping was great. So those are some pros about that. So let me tell you guys about what happened with my experience. So I took my hair out. I decided to bleach my knots. And what I will say is that the lace is a tad bit gray. In the video that I'm gonna put over here of me unboxing it, you're gonna see me show the lace. The lace is a little bit gray for my liking. And basically, I don't know if you guys probably know already, but like it's better to have transparent lace because it just it's easier to like blend with your skin tone. Like the more grayish the lace is, the harder it is to get it to blend out. I was able to do it still because it wasn't like super gray, but it did have a little bit of a tint to it that I didn't really care for. But I bleached the knots. I'm gonna show you guys that as well on the side. I bleached the knots, and then my I guess the bleach over processed the hair, so it was black. I mean, it was like a little bit blonde at the roots, but I was able to dye the whole thing black anyway, so it was okay. If you ever over bleach the knots, you can just dye the whole hair black and just go in where the roots are over bleached and just go over it. Or what you can do is you can just put a rat tail comb down the middle and spray it with that dye that comes in a can. That's only if you over bleach the knots, because I know that I've done that multiple times, so I know how to fix it. But that wasn't a fault of the company, obviously that was my mistake. So yeah, I really liked the fact that I was able to bleach the knots to kind of fix the gray lace problem. And then honestly from there, all I did was pluck it. So I plucked it and then I used my glueless method to apply it. I already have a YouTube video up on how I don't know what that is. I already have a YouTube video up on how I lay my wigs down without using glue, because I don't use glue. I probably will never use glue unless I have a full frontal, which I probably don't foresee myself having because I don't have time. This is a 5x5 closure, so I'm sorry, 6x6. So basically I just like sprayed it with the Got2b glue, and then I put my baby hairs down with my regular edge control, just the typical process that I always do. So that didn't take me long at all. Like all I did was literally run the hot comb on top, and then for the products I use, hold on one second, I'm gonna show you. To make the hair like get the wet look, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, your hair is not gonna stay wet all day. Like I haven't figured out how to do that yet, because it's like even when I drench my hair in the product, it still pretty much will look like this after a couple hours. So I don't think that it's gonna stay wet. If you guys have a method on how to do that, then feel free. But I got this Cantu coconut curling cream, and I basically just took about a quarter size amount and I just ran that through the whole head. I didn't use too much product. And then on top of that, I used another quarter size amount of my Eco Gel in clear just to hold that form. When I first got the hair, before I washed it, I just used the foam and it didn't like hold the curl all day. So I decided to just buy the gel and that cream. And then that's when I got this kind of like more wet look. This is actually like a little bit more relaxed, because when it's fully dry, it's like way bigger. But I did spray it down a little bit before this video, so maybe that's why it looks like how it looks. But it was very simple, guys, to apply this wig. All I really did was bleach the knots. I plucked it. I put my foundation on the lace as well, just to match my skin tone. And then I just put the products on it, and then that was it. For maintenance at night, I do get a little bit of shedding. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I get a little shedding when it comes to brushing through the hair, but that's natural because this is curly hair. But considering that for it to be AliExpress, Wiggins Hair is really, like, it's really good. I would 100% order another unit from them. Like, I really liked the unit. It did come with combs, but I don't really use the combs. Like I have it on, like the combs are there, but like I don't have them like stuck into my head. The only one that's stuck into my head is the one in the back. Oh, there's an elastic band on the back. Sorry, there's another elastic band to adjust it to fit your hair, your head shape, or whatever the case may be. I don't have a super big head, so I was able to get a medium size wig. And then I think when it came to the length, I just wanted something that wasn't too overly like long. But overall, guys, I 100% recommend Wiggins Hair. I really liked this wig so far. It's only been about a week or so. I will come back with probably like a month review on the hair, but I just wanted to show you guys like my results and just tell you all the details. So if anybody has any questions about this hair or how I customize it or anything like that, please leave it in the comments below, because I will be happy to respond to you. Hopefully, like if I work with any more companies, I'll do the same thing, give you my honest review and tell you how I feel. But so far, I really like this hair. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah.